Next, problem number 12. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and AD is equal to BC. Show that angle A is equal to angle B, one condition, angle C is equal to angle D, and a triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD, and AC is equal to BD. See, given ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. These two are parallel sides, and given AD is equal to BC. So non-parallel sides are equal. So, prove that RTP is prove that angle A is equal to angle B and angle D is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle B, angle D is equal to angle C. That is one condition. Next, triangle ABC. Join A and C, B and D. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD, and hence prove diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. See, ABCD trapezium, these two parallel and these two are equal. So the construction, draw CE parallel to AD. Draw CE parallel to AD. It intersects AB produced at E. See, these two parallel, now these two parallel. What is ADCE or AECD? AECD. AB is parallel to DC, nothing but AE parallel to DC. In quadrilateral, AECD, AE parallel to DC, and AD parallel to CE. AD parallel to CE. In quadrilateral, both pair of opposite sides are parallel. This side is parallel to this side is parallel to this. So AECD is a parallelogram. AECD is a parallelogram. So in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So AD is equal to CE. AD is equal to CE. So this length is equal to this length. But given AD is equal to BC, given AD is equal to BC, AD is equal to BC. Now AD is equal to CE and AD is equal to BC. From these two conditions, from 1 and 2, you can write AD is equal to CE and AD is equal to BC. You can write CE is equal to BC. CE is equal to BC. So this length is equal to this length. In triangle CBE, CB is equal to CE. These two sides are equal. In triangle, equal sides, opposite angles also equal. So this angle equal to this angle. So angle CBE is equal to angle CEB. Angle CBE is equal to angle CEB equal to some x. Next, in parallelogram, the sum of its and angles is 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle E 180 degrees. We know angle A plus angle E is equal to 180 degrees. So from this, angle E is x, angle A plus x is equal to 180 degrees. From this, angle A is equal to 180 minus x. Next, this angle plus this angle. This is linear pair of angles. So angle ADC plus angle CBE. So angle ABC plus angle CBE also 180 degrees. So angle ABC plus angle CBE, this is x for 180 degrees. So angle ABC nothing but angle B in trapezium. So angle B is equal to 180 minus x. So angle A is also 180 minus x, angle B also 180 minus x. From 3 and 4, we can write angle A is equal to angle B, or angle A is equal to angle B. This is the first condition. Next, see, AB is parallel to DC. This is a transversal. Now sum of these two also 180 degrees. These two are called co-interior angles or allied angles. We know angle A plus angle D 180 degrees. We know angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Angle B plus angle C also, and from this angle D is equal to 180 minus angle A. Next, similarly angle B plus angle C also 180 degrees. Angle B plus angle C, so 180 degrees. From this, angle C is equal to 180 minus angle B. But angle A is equal to angle B. Replace angle B by angle A. So from angle C is equal to 180 minus angle A. Since angle B is equal to angle A. This is condition 6. What is the condition 5? Angle D is equal to 180 minus angle A. Sixth condition, angle C is equal to 180 minus angle A. From 5 and 6, we can write angle. Next, third condition. Observe the triangles ABC and BAD triangles. ABC and BAD. In this, what are equal? AB is equal to AB. This is a common side. AB is equal to AB. This is a common side. This is one side. Next, what is this angle? Angle ABC and angle BAD equal y. Angle A is equal to angle B. Angle ABC is equal to angle BAD. Since angle A is equal to angle B. Next, third condition. BC is equal to AD. So non-parallel sides are equal. Given BC is equal to AD. This is side, this is angle. Given. So side, angle, side. By SAS congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. If triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD by SAS rule. Once the triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. So here AC and BD are the corresponding parts. Therefore AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD by CP, CD. Hence proved.